Hey guys, this is Leo6. Today I'm going to be showing you how to refine the edges on your selections. So I know most of you have been getting weird edges and always use the normal method, which is layer mask it and use the brush tool to remove the unwanted pixels. But there's actually an easier way, and it goes like this. So first off, I want to rasterize this. What I want to do next is to select this and to change it to the magic wand tool. So I'm going to select this first, switch back to this with my alt key, and I'm going to increase the size. Okay, I'm going to clear this stuff out. Yes, I'm going to decrease it. I'm going to select here. Alright, so here you have it. So what you guys mostly used to do is to select the layer mask and switch to the brush tool, right? Let's just try and reduce this. Switch to the brush tool and clear it like this, right? As you can see, it's not very accurate. So the best method I always advise is to use the lasso tool, because to me it's the best. And there are actually two ways of going about this, but today I'm going to be using just one method. Alright, so it goes like this, right? So you have to select the lasso tool, start from the most complex part, which is here, and let's say I'm going to be starting from here. Alright, again, sorry about that. I'm supposed to select the polygonal lasso tool for the one that was quite short. It wasn't selecting. So you're just going to select it like this. The parts you're sure of. Okay. So that's what you do. And one thing you have to know again is that you have to be selecting half pixels. Okay. You have to select half pixels. Half pixels. So we're going to come and select half of the pixels. Come here, select half of these pixels. What I mean half pixels, I mean you have to use your mind to balance between the unwanted pixels and the needed pixels. Exactly what I'm doing right now. So, okay, so I'm going to go select half of this. This should be okay. Alright, then keep going and select also half here and half here, half here. Right. So keep going, select half here and select half of this. So this works on any Photoshop on any image at all. It mustn't be only book. Even for someone face, an object, fruit, anything at all, you can actually do this. And as you're well aware, the lasso tool is also part of the selection tool, along with the marquee, the one tool, and the um, and the oh yeah, that's just it. That's just the selection tools we have. It's actually three. I was thinking of drawing tools actually. So go up. This is actually too much. I think I need to delete some. I just continue. So just continue. It's too much actually. Okay. You can always zoom in if you have any issues locating half pixels. As you can see, half pixels here. Coming here to half pixels. We don't want to distort the image too much. Half pixels. Right. Half pixels. Half pixels. Just balance it between the wanted and the unwanted image. So come here and see the next curve here. You have to follow it. Right. Right. Okay. Just select right. Right. And just keep selecting this. Alright. So I don't want to close this now because like I said, there are actually two ways of going about this. The first method is this. when I close the selection out, you select inversely. Selecting inverse means it's only going to selecting inversely means normally when you close this down, okay, the book or the part I want to select is actually selected. But when you select inversely, it does the opposite, which is it selects this blank layers here, which I didn't select. You get, it's just the opposite of what you select. That's what's going to be selected. But the method which I actually wanted to show you was this. So you just come here, the empty spaces around here. You could actually zoom out for this. Just touch them like this. Touch them like this. Then you come here to select here. Just select outside. Then you close it from here. So this is actually the method I wanted to show you guys currently, but I'm not going to do this. Oh, maybe I should just do it. So yeah, it goes like this. So when you select it like this, what happens? Okay, so when you close it like this, you're going to select this layer, this layer max thumbnail, not the main image thumbnail. You're going to select your brush tool. So what you're going to do is you're going to hold your alt key and swipe to the right, which is going to increase your brush. You're going to hold your alt key and going to hold the scroll button, which will go back. And what you're going to do, also hold your alt key here, swipe to the right to increase your brush. Just going to do it like this. So when you're done, Control D, and you can see this, my selection looks very clean and it looks devoid of unwanted layers. So the second method I actually wanted to show you, there's no way I can actually bring it back except I make a separate image. What you get, just going to select inversely, still use the brush to select, and it's going to be good like this. So this is how to make selections. You can see this image is looking very crisp and clear. So yeah, so thanks for watching.